In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect the Surfer SEO API using Node.js, input keyword data, and automate analysis and content suggestions. Let's dive right in and simplify this process for you. To begin, we first need to connect to the Surfer SEO API. The API is a powerful tool that allows us to gain in-depth insights into keyword usage, search engine behavior, and much more, all while helping us craft content that ranks well. To set this up in Node.js, the first thing you'll want to do is ensure you have your API key. This key is essential because it acts as a password, granting you access to all the functionalities the API offers. Open up your Node.js project and head over to your terminal. Here, you'll want to install the necessary packages to make HTTP requests. You can use packages like Axios or Node Fetch. Both work perfectly well for our needs. With these packages in place, you can set up your connection by writing a function that sends a request to the Surfer SEO API endpoint using your key for authentication. Double check everything to ensure that the connection is successful, as this is critical for the following steps. Once the API connection is up and running, the next step is to input your keyword data. Keywords are the backbone of SEO strategy, so you'll want to handle them with care. If you already have a list of keywords you want to analyze, you should format them into an array or a similar structure that your code can easily loop through. This will allow you to send each keyword to the Surfer SEO API for insight and recommendations. Be sure to handle the data efficiently, as working with a large list of keywords can quickly become resource intensive. You might want to consider batching your requests or implementing some form of rate limiting, depending on your needs and the constraints of the API itself. Moving on to automating analysis and content suggestions, this is where the Surfer SEO API shines, offering analytics based on your keyword input. The API will return data that allows you to make informed decisions about your content strategy, whether it's keyword density, the top ranking content length, or other essential factors. It's all accessible. Set your scripts to analyze the data returned from the API and look for patterns or correlations, which can be crucial for content improvement. Automation takes this a step further by integrating the analysis into a pipeline that suggests or even generates content outlines based on the API's recommendations. This can save you not only time, but also align your content more closely with what performs well in search engines. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you're well on your way to connecting with Surfer SEO API, inputting keyword data, and automating the content analysis process for more effective and efficient SEO strategies. Thank you for watching, and happy optimizing.